Alright, so I am wearing my Christmas present from Sarah. Alright, I don't know if you can see it right there. Right. Stand back. I'm gonna try science. There you go. That's it. Alright, so I was sitting there, and yes, I am going to tell you something that you're gonna say, he is so old. I was reading the newspaper today. I'm sorry. The peanut gallery in the back is not. Camera girls who aren't camera girling aren't allowed to be laughing. All right. So I was reading the newspaper today, and they were talking about the fact that the Mummers Parade is happening, and it is so cold out. It is just so cold out right now.
Mummers Parade?
The Mummers Parade is in Philadelphia. It's where it's kind of. It takes after kind of almost like the
uncultured swine. Whatever this is, I
so
will
it's the
pour it on
parade
you.
where they get dressed up. They have the feathers, the sequins. It's a real big, and they strut. They do the Mummers strut, which is kind of cool. But it's almost a takeoff of the Brazilian parades. In any event, one of the articles was saying if you don't have hand warmers, here's a how to do it yourself, make your own hand warmers, right? So what we have here, we have calcium chloride, which is straight from, you know what you pour on the sidewalks to help melt the snow?
Like
the salts?
Salt?
Yeah, so this is the salts, but this is calcium chloride, which is the salt. So we're each going to make a real quick hand warmer, and we'll see if it actually works. So we have 2 Ziploc bags. We're going to pour the calcium chloride into the one Ziploc bag. We're going to pour water into this. We're going to put the water bag inside the bigger bag, and then we're going to squeeze it so that the water will pop, and we'll see if it actually works. We're going to take and we're going to pour.
Or you can just do this.
Okay, you're going to do it that way. All right, so.
Done.
So did you zip it up?
Yeah. It almost
Unzipped?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on a sec. We want to try to get some of the air out if we can. A little bit of the air out. There we go. Inside.
Ooh.
What happened?
Mine kind of opened up a little.
Okay. Happens, it happens. Okay.
Squeeze the air.
Yeah, well, you're right. You gotta squeeze the air out.
Oh, mine is just opening it up.
Okay, well.
Alright. Oh, it's warm! It's really warm.
Is it?
Right there.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay. So,
just
the intent then was that you can keep this like this for a while, and then you just simply pop it. And once you pop it, you have the water come out. And
so cool. You're just gonna have a really ow, it's kind of hot.
It is hot.
Really hot.
It's actually hot. So this is your instant hand. Wow, you have to actually kind of juggle it. I didn't think it would get that hot.
Hot potato.
It is. And my water is still not fully reacted because I still have some up there, but I don't want to react it anymore because that's actually. So if you're sitting out there and it's 0 degrees, like last night we were on the battleship because the mother unit sent us to the battleship for the for the New Year's, right?
Yeah.
It was so cold.
Oh my God,
It was what?
10 degrees.
It was 11 degrees, 10 degrees. It was 10 degrees out. We could have had these hand warmers. Come here, Kelly. Come here. All right. This is a homemade hand warmer. Okay? Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Here, come on into the camera. There you go.
Ow, shocked me.
I shocked you. I thought it was the heat that was. Here, feel it. That's actually pretty hot. To prove once again that the newspaper actually still is a valid source of information out there for those people who don't believe that it should be used for anything other than to line your kitty litter or dog training techniques. All right, so this is your instant hand warmer with calcium chloride, which is straight from the rock salt that you do. It's not the actual salt itself, but it has to be calcium chloride because there's a reaction. Calcium chloride with water, which ends up having the heat come off of it. If it were just table salt, it would just be, you would just have salt water, which doesn't have the heat. But this thing has the heat. Now, if we really want to be cool, maybe we can actually get some ammonium nitrate and do the opposite, because ammonium nitrate is what you have in...
Liquid nitrogen?
No! Well, you're close. Ammonium nitrate is what you have in the
Dry
punch
ice.
packs that you have for the, like when you end up going to the nurse and you have a cold pack that you're getting, and you break it. So similar, you have water in one pouch, you have the ammonium nitrate in the other, you snap it and suddenly it gets cold. This was water on one side and calcium chloride on the other, and we popped it and suddenly it got hot. This is our Happy New Year's, right?
Video.
Yes, it is. It is 2018.